Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a bit of a crisis today. My Weller soldering iron went out. Took it apart, tried to fix it. It was the main coil. So I found it at a thrift store, I don't know, a couple of years ago, if I remember right. Anyway, I do a lot of soldering, so it's not an option to be without a soldering gun, or a soldering iron for that matter. Anyway, I zoomed up to Menards to pick up a soldering iron, and I saw this soldering gun. This is 14 bucks. I mean, this is really cheap. The soldering iron was 18 bucks and was a 40 watt. This is 100 watts, as you see. Soldering gun with built-in work light. So anyway, plug it in, pull the trigger, the thing gets hot. I mean, it gets hot within about 15 seconds. It's ready to use. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. The only drawback to it is that it has this rounded tip, so there's no surface except on the sides. That's the only drawback. A Weller soldering gun has a big heavy-duty copper contact on the end, whatever you want to call this thing. And it has a big flat spot on it, which is great for transferring heat. Anyway, for standard soldering wires on a Marx motor, this is perfect. I mean, it's really, really inexpensive. This is less expensive than the cheapest soldering iron they had, which was surprising. Anyway, Menards has these things, 14 bucks, and there's an 11% off sale right now. So anyway, it was about $12. Anyway, it's fairly well made. Has a simple on-off, has a built-in light. And again, for just doing soldering on wires, this thing's great. I mean, it's really inexpensive, but it works. And the nice thing is the gun, so it's not on all the time. You know, you pull the trigger in 10, 15 seconds, you can solder with it. And for just doing simple soldering on wire, it works great. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. I was surprised to find it so cheap. And brought it home and actually used it today. It works. For soldering wire, you really couldn't beat it. I mean, it's really inexpensive. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.